Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be going over how to find the area of a cone. So first of all, we just gotta know this very simple formula. V is equal to 1/3 times B times H. H is equal to height. B is equal to pi times radius squared. Now we see in our little equation here, this is gonna be example 1, that the height is 10. The diameter is 12. But we see in our equations that we don't need diameter, we need radius. So how are we going to find radius? Well, we're going to divide the diameter by 2. And why are we going to do this? Because diameter is the side to the side of a circle. Radius is the side to the center. Therefore, radius would be half of diameter. So that's how we get this little equation right here. So now all we got to do is plug it in. So pi times 6 squared is equal to b. So now we just have to solve for our equation. What is 6 squared? Well, it equals 36. 36 times 10. What does that equal? That equals 360. What is 360 times 1/3? 360 times 1. What does that equal? 360. 360 divided by 3. That equals 120. 120 times the pi, what does that equal? Well, if we plug into our calculator, which I wrote on a note on the side, equals 376.99. Then of course we would add our label, but we didn't specify a label, so we'll just leave it blank. I should probably note that most teachers will allow you to just leave with 120 times pi, merely because that is technically the most correct answer, because by adding our decimal right here, it technically is slightly off, because we're, well, rounding up. So technically 120 times pi would be correct, but most teachers will just allow you to do this, but like I said, some are a little bit picky, so if you have a teacher or if you have a client, make sure they specify how accurate they want. Okay, let's do example 2. Now we see that height is 5 squared, so let's just make it 25 because why not? There's no reason not to. Now let's divide by 2 for our diameter, because as we remember, diameter is the entire thing, radius is the half. So 5 divided by 2 equals what, guys? It equals 2.5. So now we know that 2.5 squared times pi is equal to b. So what does 2.5 squared equal to? Well, it equals 6.25. Now if we multiply that by our little 25, that equals 156.25. 156 times it by the 1, what does that equal? 156 divided by the 3. And that gives us the total answer of 52.08 repeated 3. And as said earlier, you can either write it just with the pi and keep it most accurate, or we can solve. So if we multiply this little digit by the pi, what do we get, guys? Well, we get 163.62. So that is it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and that's all.